Hello all, welcome to the Web Science for Development workshop. So this workshop is a part of Web Science initiative at IIIT Bangalore. It started in 2019, bringing together professionals from several domains addressing different themes pertaining to the use of web and mobile technologies in development efforts. This is the third year of the web workshop, and this time the theme is the new normal and the importance of web science in the new normal. As a part of the workshop, the first day is a brief conversation. Brief conversation is not like any normal workshop, which contains, there are no lectures or talks, but only conversations generated by the participants. At Brave Conversation, we ask the hard questions, and as a community, as a whole, we try to answer the question. So let's begin with the lamp lighting. May I request Jayati to share the virtual lamp lighting screen? So first, we'll have the lamp lighting from Annie Rollin Campbell, the director of Interstitia. Next, we have lamp lighting by Professor Sadagopan, Director IIIT Bangalore. Next, we have the lamp light by Jay Ganesh, Vice President, Head Emphasis, Next Labs Emphasis. Uh, Next, by Professor Srinath, Dean of Research, IIIT Bangalore. And next, by Professor Vidisha, Faculty, IIIT Bangalore. Okay, so next we have the inaugural address by Professor Sadgopan.
So good morning, everyone, and of course, good afternoon to people in Australia, Annie particularly, and of course, I think people are joining from all over the world. Okay, a good way to start. So I am indeed happy to inaugurate this conference and a workshop, and I thank the organizers, my colleagues, for putting up an amazing event. And a special thanks to Professor Wendy Hall and Annie for making this happen. So this is in fact the third time and second time in Bangalore. We are especially grateful that they decided to locate it in IIIT Bangalore. It's interesting, everyone talks of the new normal. I think the last 9, 10, 11 months have been humbling. And I was quite surprised that practically without a break, every day, some delivery person delivered milk and vegetables to home. And he used to talk of how much he depended on the web. Without web, it wouldn't have been possible. And of course, all our educational institutes, we have been kind of practically delivering everything classes, recruiting students, even graduating students, thanks to the web. So in that sense, it is a true new normal. And of course, yesterday, the Indian IT services industry announced that while the GDP has contracted, while many, many industries have contracted, the IT services industry has grown actually by 2%. It was quite a surprise. So all these things are possible thanks to the web, and that is part of the new normal. But I think what is far more important, this is something which I mentioned last time, again repeating, and it has actually become far more necessary and important that we have conversations. I think there is too much of sermonizing, preaching, and even one-way talking. I think we are not doing enough conversations, and where we kind of share ideas by multiple people, listen to by multiple people. That is a conversation. And it is all the more important that we have brave conversations, because particularly in the new normal last 11 months have shown that sometimes the dominance is actually taking off. So I think too much of domination is happening. And when somebody is dominating, many people are not brave enough to kind of even air their views. So the views get suppressed, which is bad. I think, but more important is not only the views should not get suppressed, there should be a feeling that others' views are welcome. I think that is part of the brave conversation that I think I should compliment Annie for thinking of this. And we hope to have quite a bit of brave conversation in the next 2 days. And all that I would say is that part of the brave conversation is we all should start using more of our ears and less of our mouth. And there cannot be a better way to start that with my own. So I think I should shut out and kind of over to the organizers and wish you all great success. And I hope to have much more time to listen to you all in the next 2 days. Over to you, Professor Srinath. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.